Hello everyone, welcome to the another video edition of College Deco. In this video, we will do a quick analysis about freeze, float, slide option in JOSA counseling. So after the seat allotment, the candidates will have three options to choose, that is freeze, float and slide. So before explaining about this, we need to know some important points. After the JOSA seat allotment, the candidates will have three options to choose, that is freeze, float and slide. The candidates will have to choose any of these options to proceed with the seat allotment. And JOSA seat acceptance fee. The seat acceptance fee for SC, ST, PWD, General EWS, OBC, NCL is rupees 15,000 and the seat acceptance fee for general category is 35,000. The candidates will have to pay this fee in online mode, that is through digital payment methods by using credit card, debit card or internet banking. So what about freeze? What is freeze option in JOSA counseling? So candidate choosing freeze option must note that their seat will be confirmed after paying the seat acceptance fee. Candidates choosing freeze option are not eligible for the subsequent rounds of the counseling. Float option. The candidates who selects float option in the JOSA counseling must note that if you are not allocated a seat as per your first choice, then you can select this particular option that is called as float. The seat allocated in the existing round will not be cancelled in such cases. For example, if you are allocated a seat in NIT Warangal in the first round and if you chose NIT Trichy as first option, then you can choose float option actually and you can wait for the better seat allotment, and the seat already allocated seat will not be cancelled in such cases. And slide option. Candidate choosing slide option must note that if you are not allocated a course or branch as per your first choice in the JOSA counseling, then you can actually choose slide option. In such cases, the seat allocated, the already allocated seat will not be cancelled until and unless you get a better seat allotment. So the candidates should be very mindful while choosing freeze, float and slide option because the allotment of seat is purely based on the opening and closing ranks, reservation policies and the rank secured by the candidate. So for this purpose you need to actually check the previous year opening and closing ranks to have an idea about trends before choosing these options. For example, NIT Warangal is one of the top preferred institutes in JOSA counseling, and if you are not getting a seat in the first round in NIT Warangal, there is no guarantee that you may get seat in NIT Warangal in second round, because the seats are either get filled or the seats for your category may not be available. So it is advisable to check the opening and closing ranks before choosing these options, and opening and closing ranks are available on College Deco and you can click on the links available under this video to check the same. We will come up with another session about JOSA counseling soon. Stay tuned to College Deco for more updates on JOSA counseling. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.